Okay, we're trying to get Bree up this hill. And there she goes! Okay, try it again. And we're not having much luck. All right, Bree, you want to try laying down? Okay. Papa, lay her down. Okay. You know, her wheelchair won't make it up this snow. It's too deep. So we're trying to get her. We might have to duct tape her to the slide. Go. Go, way. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. You're doing good.
Look, the snow is coming up.
Just keep going. It'll go around. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Papa had. Hey, Papa. Bree, how you doing? Okay, now we're going to see if we can get over there to that. What do you think? It's really hard because we can't pull this while she's sitting up because she can't sit up without support. And then if I get on it, you might as well forget it. All right, keep going, baby. All right, which way? Okay. Bree, how you doing? Maybe we'll just have Papa pull you around here like this. Huh?
Wow!
Huh? You like it?
Yeah!
Okay, where do you want to go? What? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, you ready? You think you're ready to slide? Keep going, Papa. Where do you want to go?
Okay, keep going.
Okay, but I don't want her near that house. Okay, go. Right there between those two things. Bree, I'm going to slide with you, okay? I'm going to be behind you to hold you up. Okay. Wish us luck, folks. There goes my baby. Honey, okay. Next thing you'll see is me on with her. Bye.